Hi there. This lesson I'm going to teach you how to apply the remainder theorem to solve some of the HSC questions. So let's go straight into it. First one, find the remainder when this is divided by this. Now, from the remainder theorem, we know that R of A is equal to P of A. So therefore, to find the remainder for this polynomial when divided by x minus 2, so all we need to do is we just find P of 2. And this is P of x. So therefore, P of 2 is equal to 2 power of 3 minus 10, 2 square plus 6, and lots of 2 plus 2. So now I just put that in a calculator. So now it's just 2 times 2 power of 3 is 8. So I just put 2 times 8. And then 2 squares 4 times 10 is 40. So just minus 40. And then a plus 12 and plus another 2. So plus 14. Okay. So there you go. The answer is negative 10. So which is equal to negative 10. So therefore the remainder is negative 10. So the answer is B. Now please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. Let's see how you go, okay? To find the remainder, we need to find P of negative 3. So P of negative 3. So that would give me negative 3 power of 3. And this is P of x, okay? So that would give me the negative 27. So therefore, the remainder is negative 27. Again, please pause the video and try this one yourself. Okay, let's see how you go. So to find the remainder, we need to find P of negative 3. So P of negative 3 is equal to, and this is P of x. Okay, so that becomes negative 3 power of 3 minus 6 lots of negative 3. So negative 27, because negative 3 power of 3 is negative 27, and plus 18. There you go, negative 9. So therefore, the remainder is negative 9. So the answer is A. Now this one here is slightly different. So if you think you can do it, please pause the video, try it yourself. Otherwise, just watch how I do it, okay? So we know that P of x is actually equal to AX, which is the divisor, and times the quotient, and we add the remainder. Remember that? So now we know that the divisor, this is AX. And this one here is R of x. So I can just write it out. So which P of x is equal to AX, which equal to x plus 1 and x minus 3 and times by qx, and we're not sure what it is, and we add the rx, the remainder, that is 2x at 7. So now we need to find the remainder when px divided by x minus 3. So we need to find p of 3, in another word. Now, we just replace x with 3. So this one here becomes 3 plus 1, which is 4 times, and this one here is 3 minus 3 is 0, and we times by q of 0 plus and 2 lots of 3, which is 6, and plus 7. Now 0 times anything is 0, okay? So this one here is equal to 0, and this add together give me 13. So therefore p of 3 is equal to 13. In another word, the remainder is equal to 13. So the answer is D. So there you go. Next one. So we know that this polynomial here divided by x minus 1 and the remainder is 2. So in another word, we know that p of 1 is equal to 2. And if it divided by x plus 2, the remainder is 5. So this means that p of negative 2 is equal to 5. So please keep that in mind for me. Now we just substitute this value in this polynomial here, and then we solve by simultaneous equation to find the value of a and b. So let's get into it. So now we know that p of 1 is equal to 2. So this means that 2 is equal to x power 3 becomes 1 power 3. So 1 power 3 is 1. And then a times 1 is a, but negative a, and plus b. So now I'm just move this group here on this side. So that will give me a minus b. I just write underneath here. So a minus b is equal to, and then I move the 2 on this side, becomes 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. So I just clear this first. So equal to negative 1. And let's name this equation number 1. Now we substitute p negative 2 is equal to 5 into the polynomial. So which is p negative 2 is equal to 5. So that means 5. So negative 2 power 3 is negative 8. And then minus 8 times negative 2 is plus 2, which is 2a, and then plus b. So now I just move the negative 8 on this side. So that becomes 5 plus 8, which is 13. So 13 is equal to 2a plus b. So let's name this equation number 2. So I just write equation number 1 underneath. So that is negative 1 is equal to a minus b. This is equation number 1. Now if I add equation number 1 with equation number 2, b will cancel out. So just add them together. So 13 minus 1, which is 12. And then 2a plus a is 3a. And then b minus b cancel out. So 12 equal 3a. So if I divide by 3, I divide this by 3 as well. So this means that a is equal to 4. Now I just substitute a into equation number 1. So substitute a equal 4 into equation number 1. So this means that 4 minus b, which is equal to negative 1. And then I move the b on this side, the 1 on this side. So 5 is equal to b. So therefore, A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 5. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.